Greetings everyone, I'm Clyde Tilsley. Always good to have a bit of real talent playing the game. And talking about talent, Andy Gray is here with me.
This is going to be a lot of fun.
This is a match between two teams looking to get their seasons up and running in the right direction. These early games can set the tone for the whole year, Andy.
Well, they can give you confidence on knockouts, as simple as that, Clive. That's the importance of a good start early on.
Picked up at the back. Trying to come out with the ball. Plays a long, searching ball. This is really good stuff, everyone involved. And they are off to a flying start!
Well, they've gone one up now, but will they push forward looking for another goal?
That goal has put him into double figures for the season, always a target for players like him. There again gets his first goal, and it's 1-0 here. They're starting to get on the ball and pass it around. He's the kind of defender who just loves a tackle, isn't he? Free kick awarded. Going for goal. Yes! How do you stop a free kick like that?
I think when you get a two-goal lead, you know what that does? It absolutely flattens your opposition.
He's only tried his luck a couple of times, and both times his luck has been in. Neither of them was going to pull out of that one. Free kick given. Just halted by the defence. Given a foul. Fires one in. That's not even close.
I just think when you get a free kick, you've got to make the goalkeeper save it.
Goal kick hit long. And they will get a goal kick. They're not going to let him be. Got to take the last defender on. Can he finish? Oh, he had to win that. Good tackle. Will he finish? That didn't miss by much.
Well, he'll be disappointed. After doing so well, clean through with only the goalkeeper to beat, and he's missed it.
Looking to move forward. Another attack breaks down. Can he score? Has a crack, scores!
He's found the space, and when the ball arrived, what a finish.
Well, who'd be a goalkeeper? Nobody on a day like this. Putting themselves in a very good position. 3-0 is the score. Oh, look at the space he's got here. He's not held on to it. They've got it away. Chance to regroup. Did well there. Passing's good there. They poured men forward here. It's on the way. Headed out of danger. Coming away with it now. Ball found its way to him somehow. He's a brave header. Must score, mustn't he? Nobody could doubt the energy and commitment of these players today. Helped on nicely. Danger cleared. Decent header. One of those defenders who always just seems to get a foot to the ball. That's thumped out of the box. It's a fine header. Referee has given, what has he given? He's given a free kick. Nothing wrong with that. He's made some shooting space. Blocks it.
Well, it's one of those situations that you think the striker's going to score, but somehow the keeper gets a hand to it.
He's got a chance. He's tidied things up, made the clearance. Scoreline at half-time, a resounding 3-0. 45 minutes to go. Are we going to have the same story as in the first half? Can he finish? And played safely away. Oh, why is he not giving a foul? Oh, I see, he's playing advantage. Needs to shoot. Opportunity. He struck it well enough, just off target.
Well, I think I might have scored that because it was a wonderful chance. But he hasn't taken it. What a miss.
If they keep playing like this, they'll soon build on that lead. He's kept it in. Defence coped with that. There's a real threat here. Good defending. Good chance. I don't think he was that far wide.
You cannot...
Cleared their lines there. Can he shoot? Shoots! He had other options, but it wasn't the worst effort.
Well, that's what separates the best from the rest. You get chances like that, you really have to take them. He hasn't there.
A substitution by each of the managers there. What will that do to the game? Not much space out there, but he's constantly on the move, looking for it.
No, it's been a performance of containment.
It's well worked. Genuine chance! Couldn't hold it.
Well, he didn't want to, but he's had to concede the corner.
Goalkeeper lays claim to it. Played out then. Needs to protect the ball better. This will test them. The ball brought back there for offside. Kind of pass just opens the game up. Some excellent defending today. Danger here. Oh, this is a chance! Saw the ball running free and was first to it. There's a good ball in there too. He's got into the penalty area. Goal!
Well, that doesn't just happen without thought. He's worked his way into a beautiful position because he knows what he's doing. Great finish.
Managers are paid to make substitutions. They don't all work quite as well as that one, though. He can look after himself when the ball's in the air. Crikey, how many men have they got forward here? Oh, and how much did that miss by?
I didn't think he had that ability, but what an effort.
And 4 minutes of stoppage time being added on. Chance to cross it. Referee's blown him up. That's a good one. Oh, that was close.
Well, I'm not so sure who's surprised more, him or me. What an effort.
Closing moments of the game, but they're still looking for goals, still looking to increase their lead. Defenders in charge. There's the final whistle. 4-0 here, something of a walkover, I'm afraid.